Good evening, ma'am. I am Ray Dagpin. I am currently living here in Dipolog City, and today I am here at the City Hall of Dipolog City. The location of this place is at the center of this city, and as you can see, I am now walking here. There are a lot of convenience store in front of this City Hall. There are a lot of people here every night because some of them are practicing their dancing skills, and there are some statues in front of the City Hall. As you can see, these three statues, I don't know their names, but I know that they are super famous back in their time. So I am going to the Polog City Cathedral, and here I am at the Catholic Church. Is also one of the tourist attraction. As you can see, this church has good architectural design, and it can attract many people, and some people or some tourists here are visiting just to pray, and some family bonding. They here, as you can see, this church is huge and it has good architectural. Yeah, I'm here at the Catholic Cathedral in the Polog Chapel, which is one of the most tourist attraction. Tourist spot. It one of the most tourist attraction. So as you can see, it's so big. It's dark now, so I must go. Yeah. I am at the front of this church. I am having my video in the front. That's all for the tour in this church, and we can proceed to the next tour, and
Around the plaza of the
we should go to the statue of Rizal here in the front of church, in the church, a Catholic church. These statues